Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Description of the picture in 100 simple sentences, followed by 20 questions with answers. This is a picture of a park scene. There is a family spending time together. Two elderly people sit on a bench. They are a grandfather and grandmother. The grandfather has a walking stick. The grandmother wears glasses. They both look happy. The grandfather is smiling. The grandmother is also smiling. They are enjoying their time in the park. There are 3 children near them. The children look cheerful. 2 children are standing. 1 child is kneeling on the ground. The child on the ground is feeding pigeons. There is a bowl in front of her. The child pours food into the bowl. She has her hair tied in a bun. The other 2 children are watching her. 1 child is a boy in a white shirt. He looks happy and excited. The boy is clapping his hands. The other child is a girl. She wears a red dress. She has a yellow hairband. The girl is smiling widely. There are pigeons around them. Some pigeons are flying. Some pigeons are on the ground. The pigeons are eating the food. The park has a path. The path is light grey. The path curves around the park. There are green bushes in the background. A fence surrounds the park. The fence is black. It has vertical bars. There are green trees behind the fence. The sky is blue and clear. It looks like a pleasant day. The sun is not visible. But the weather looks nice. The park seems peaceful. The grandfather is wearing glasses. He is wearing a brown vest. His shirt is white. He has grey pants. His shoes are brown. The grandmother wears a red dress. She has a white shirt under the dress. She is wearing grey shoes. She has a brown bag on the bench. The bag is beside her. She looks content. The grandfather holds his walking stick. He seems relaxed. The children are having fun. The boy has brown hair. The girl in the red dress has blonde hair. The girl feeding pigeons has brown hair. The children enjoy feeding the birds. The pigeons look hungry. The pigeons are grey. Some pigeons are looking at the food. Some pigeons have their wings spread. The children are enjoying nature. The park is a happy place. The trees provide shade. The children are spending time with their grandparents. The grandparents enjoy watching the children. The bench is brown. The bench has wooden slats. The pigeons are friendly. The girl kneeling is focused. She enjoys feeding the pigeons. The boy is watching her. The girl in the red dress looks at the birds. The scene is calm. It is a bright day. The park is clean. The children look healthy. The grandparents are patient. Everyone is relaxed. The bench has metal supports. The park has a welcoming atmosphere. The scene shows love between family members. The children are happy to be with their grandparents. The grandparents feel proud. The park is a great place for family time. The pigeons enjoy the food given by the kids. The girl in red claps her hands. She feels excited by the birds. The boy in white is smiling. The children love the outdoors. The trees make the park look green. The fence keeps the park safe. The family is enjoying a simple moment. The girl feeding pigeons feels responsible. The grandparents cherish this moment. This is a peaceful and joyful scene. 20 questions and answers. Who is sitting on the bench? The grandfather and grandmother are sitting on the bench. How many children are there? There are 3 children. What is the child on the ground doing? She is feeding the pigeons. What is the grandfather holding? The grandfather is holding a walking stick. What color is the grandmother's dress? The grandmother's dress is red. How does the boy look? The boy looks happy and excited. What is in front of the girl feeding the pigeons? There is a bowl in front of her. What color is the boy's shirt? The boy's shirt is white. Are there pigeons in the park? Yes, there are pigeons in the park. What are the children doing? The children are feeding the pigeons and enjoying the park. What color is the fence? The fence is black. Are the grandparents smiling? Yes, the grandparents are smiling. What color is the path? The path is light gray. Is it a sunny day? Yes, it looks like a sunny and pleasant day. What does the girl in the red dress have in her hair? She has a yellow hairband. Are there trees in the park? Yes, there are trees in the park. Where is the grandmother's bag? The bag is on the bench beside her. What is the grandfather wearing? The grandfather is wearing a brown vest, a white shirt, grey pants, and brown shoes. What are the pigeons doing? The pigeons are eating food and flying around. Do the children look happy? Yes, the children look happy. Subscribe the channel for more videos.